Our plan is we're gonna have so we're gonna have our master bedroom right here, kitchen, and then there's gonna be a bathroom right here. I need to do? We're making progress.
Okay, are you working as a team?
Yes.
Well, when this spins, it makes electricity in here.
Then it goes into,
The transformer.
and from the transformer,
Power plant.
yes, or
Power line.
The water tank puts the water through the wire, and it gives all the houses water.
The cold water comes through here. Some of the water goes just plain inside the house, and the other goes inside this water tank. It heats it up and then changes it into hot water, which goes out to the pool. That is the sewer pipe, and then the solar one is the electricity.
okay.
It kind of looks like a metal wire. Why is it not raining?
Because it's not hitting it.
Oh.
You need to bring it closer.
Making a ramp that it goes through this. We turn these on, and then it hits this, and then to take this golf ball, put it on there. But first, I need to turn that on. Then turn that on. It's gonna go over here. Then when it touches this, this goes backwards.